So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Google Slides presentation available offline here in Google Slides using the Google Slides mobile application. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, what I want you to do is go into your presentation and make sure that your presentation is opened up. Now, if you want to make sure that the Google Slides presentation is available offline, go to the top right here and press on the three dots horizontally. Then go to the bottom here to where it says available offline. Now for me, this actually is checked, but for whatever reason, if this is checked off, it's going to say file no longer available offline. But if you wanted to make sure that this file is available offline and it can save to your device, go to the top right here, press on the three dots. Same thing, go to where it says available offline and make sure that that is checked by pressing it and making sure that it highlight is yellow, and it'll say file will be made available offline. So that's pretty simple. That's how you guys can make a Google Slides presentation available offline here in Google Slides. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.